May all acquaintance be forgot and never
and never stop singing, Gretchen. You can't sing.
And never left behind. Hey, everybody!
Okay, so anyway, hey, Happy New Year! Look who it is! Okay, go down here, Gretchen, right now.
All right.
It's the end of the world year, everybody.
Woo, woo.
End of the world.
2012, end of the world cake.
Exactly, but you want to know why it's not the end of the world and it's Happy New Year? Because the Mayans forgot about leap year. Okay? Duh. Yes, I have graduated today from Cake Pop University.
Yeah.
Yep. Me, the producer, is gonna make a cake.
That's right.
New Year's Eve cake. So the Crumb Boss made this.
I think it's been a lot of that so far.
Happy New Year, Gretchen.
I think it's been a lot of that so far.
Second bottle, baby.
I thought we're back in Cabo. Hang her upside down.
All right, leave it there.
All right.
Listen up, okay? We got 2012. These are Crumb Boss beautiful cakes that she made, okay? And she has challenged the producer to make one of those.
I don't think it was a challenge. I think this is going to be really interesting. 1 year later, Steph the producer has been watching Crumb Boss do filling cakes, icing cakes, crumb coating cakes, decorating cakes, writing on cakes, cakes, and so you're going to take all that you've been watching all year long and you're going to put it to practice
in action,
right now.
Yes, baby.
It almost went in the cake.
Okay,
all right, what are we making?
Here we go. Got my turntable here, right here, going around in circles. All right, vanilla cake, episode 26 on Crumb Boss TV. You want to have 2 slices to make that cake, okay? The Crumb Boss cut them for me, so it doesn't make a difference.
It started out as a quarter sheet layer. We cut it in half to make 2 long strips.
Okay, so what you want to do is you want to put one down like this, okay? And then you want to take your favorite thing, everybody, vanilla buttercream right
because
here.
What happens if you don't have buttercream in your life?
Your life sucks if you don't have this, all right? So basically what you want to do is you want to take out your spatula and you're going to fill it like this, okay?
Yeah.
You're going to fill it just like this. And then this is the filling, the inside of the cake, all right?
Wow, that's a lot of filling.
Well, you told me to do double, Gretchen. All right? So now you're going to fill it just like this. And then my cake's going to be big, so it doesn't make a difference. Look at that, you guys.
Yeah,
see?
perfect. See?
Look at that.
The handy spatula, the handy offset spatula.
Yep.
Don't leave home without it.
Exactly. So now what you want to do is this, okay? All right. How many minutes do I have, Gretchen?
You've got 7 minutes.
7 minutes. All right. Do you want to take your other cake and you want to put it on top?
Right.
Wow, this is a giant cake. Oh, shit. Here we go. All right. So what you want to do is you want to put your vanilla buttercream on. All right. Just like this. Is already missing it. It's very hard to make things.
It's okay. Slow down. You got plenty of time. Oh my God.
All right. So what you want to do is I got my vanilla buttercream going. I'm using a spatula. All right. And I'm up against the clock right now.
Yeah, you got plenty of time. Slow down. Relax. Take a deep breath.
Because then it's going to take a long time.
Have another drink.
Can't cover the cake. Hold on. I don't know how to use a spatula. I only know how to use my hands. Because my hands are my best tools. You taught me that, Gretchen. You taught me that. You said your hands are your best tools. You always said it. I can't use a spatula, all right? So the heck with that, all of you, all right? There, look at that.
Yeah, it's good. We're going to put sprinkles on it anyway. You'll never know.
Look at it. It's beautiful.
God. It looks like a white log.
It's the Yule log that turned white.
It's the white Yule log. After
You said your hands are your best tools.
Yeah, so they are.
To heck with that. All right, so I'm making this.
Yeah, it's good. All right, so now what do you do?
All right, maybe I'll try the spatula.
Wait, right, like moving the baby. What did I tell you?
All right, yeah, Gretchen told me in order to move the baby, just like moving a baby,
yeah,
you gotta take it off. Holy crap.
Yeah, like a little baby.
Give me my board. Oh, this is a good cake.
Okay.
Yeah, look at that.
All right, see, there you go. All right, it's perfect. So now, what are you going to do? Garnish it a little bit?
I'm going to garnish it a little bit. I'm going to show you how to garnish. Can I take my...
Absolutely.
Can I take these off?
Yeah. Don't
look at this. Guys, this is better than Cake Pops. I'm making a cake now. Cake Pop University.
Graduated.
No, but I have my ideas for cake pops. You have no idea. All these people that have simple, stupid recipes. Hey, want to make this, want to make that. Wait till you see 2012, Gretchen.
Cake
it's
pop?
going to be combo cake pops.
Cake pop mania.
Oh, back to the glove crap. All right. So here's the whole thing, everybody. I'm making a Lincoln log. Remember Lincoln logs? Except mine's white.
Wait, I thought we were making this.
We're making the end of the
This is a
world.
grandfather clock
Yeah,
right
it's a
here.
grandfather clock.
It's a Happy New Year
Look at this cake.
2012
All right, now I'm
grandfather
going to
clock.
garnish. Ready?
Oh yeah,
See?
watch this.
You just put them on the side.
Yeah, look at that.
Look at that. See,
See,
it's all-
she's learning.
it's all
You
covered
learned a lot
already.
of things.
Yes.
Whoa. Whoa.
Gretchen, you didn't tell me it was going to be this heavy. It's
I
hard to
didn't
do
know you were going to put
sometimes.
7 pounds of buttercream
I
in
just
the middle
broke
of
the
it.
golden board. Okay, there.
Now,
All right.
shake off your sprinkles. Excess back onto the board. All right. Oh, man.
Okay, so
Alright.
there I have my cake. Look at it. This is called Steph the Producer doesn't need a spatula to make this. Okay, so it's the end of the year.
It's the end of the world. This is
it's the
definitely
end of the month. I mean, whatever. It's the end of the day.
This is definitely the end of the world cake, right?
All right, the end of the world cake, okay? So look what I got. I don't have, like Gretchen has down here.
Yeah.
She's got big fancy ones, like sugar paper ones and all the big stuff.
Yeah.
She goes here.
You
take the plastic
one.
stuff.
You take the
Okay?
plastic
So I'm
clock.
going to put my clock in the middle.
Okay.
So I could tell Happy New Year, New York. Okay? And then I got my Happy New Year sign right here. I forgot all my stuff. Wait a minute. And then I got my top hat. Okay? My little guy's going to
You
be
have
right
3
there.
and a half minutes.
Wait,
oh, cool.
how many? Okay, now
Yeah.
I got the pastry bag. Remember this? We
God.
learned this and everything,
It's a
you
mess.
guys.
Look at it.
All right, we learned everything. Look at this. Look at that.
Yeah.
Look at this cake. Gretchen,
Oh, I got
you
it.
got to film it up. I'm going to turn it towards you.
Okay.
Look at that clock.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. Who can tell you? If you can't tell time with that clock, there's something wrong with
you
your
don't
life.
know that it's the end of the world by looking at this cake. You don't know nothing.
Yeah. But here's the thing. I'm still going around. Look at, I'm making my border, everybody. Check it out. I'm using a sleek technique. It's called Steph one line. And you just squeeze the pastry bag like this, and you make one line.
Uh-huh.
And it's gray, because Gretchen gave me gray icing.
Yeah, because we kind of like do a lot of gray. Like, look at our cupcakes; they look real cool and gray.
Yeah,
You know,
okay.
it's a lot of silver for the
Yeah.
New Year stuff. So
All right, now is the big finale. How many seconds do I have?
you have 2.5 minutes.
All right, 2.5 minutes. Now I'm going to write Happy New Year.
Okay. Oh yeah, let's see this.
You told me to always put it on my shoulder.
That's right. Oh my God, what a mess. Oh,
Wait.
oh Lord.
Okay. Remember that I grab it in your
Yeah,
hand.
yeah, you do like a little thing. Look, it's already
okay.
coming out.
Okay, H. Oops. Happy. H-A-P.
You need a bigger cake.
There's not enough room for the Y.
Write it on the bottom. Let's flip it over.
Happy. Look at that.
All right.
And then we'll just write N. We'll just write NY for New Year.
Happy New York.
Do you think somebody would buy this?
I hope so.
Wait, let me just do this. Wait. I can't make a Y, Gretchen. I haven't written. You know what? I produce this show. Number 1, Gretchen. I don't do all this big fancy stuff.
Look, why
This is what I made. It took me a year to learn how to make this.
And it's amazing. Look at what she learned, everybody. Look at what Steph the Producer learned by watching Crumb Boss for a whole year. How to fill a cake, how to ice a cake, how to garnish a cake with sprinkles, how to decorate it with a border and write happy and...
Exactly. Because you want to know why?
Why?
It's a Happy New Year, and I just want you to know that this is a cake that I made, and then I'm going back to cake pops to help with all of you. All right?
Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year, everybody. See you tomorrow. Pie smash.
Epic pie smash. Crumb Boss and the Producer.